Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel Engineering Zindabad. I'm Pragati Agrawal and I have started with this playlist you can see. Now this is the introductory video to this playlist. Well, to whom this playlist is made for? The answer to this is that even if you know coding, then how to end up becoming a successful app developer and create some wonderful apps. And the second category is the people who don't even know what coding is and they want to get into this field of development. They want to become some brilliant engineers, but then they somewhere feel that since they don't have the degree, they haven't learned the subjects of computer science, so they can't get into this journey. So this playlist will help you go through what coding is, to which language to select, to becoming an expert engineer. Obviously, if you will follow my advice in every video seriously, you will become one. Now the first question after this comes that any language we will be selecting, like we are coding in the end eventually, then which language to select? Python, C, C++, Java, JavaScript, Kotlin, Go, Golang, Dart, which one and why? Answer to this is very simple. There are two factors based on which one must decide which language to select. The first factor is how easy it is to understand that language. The second thing is that what use case that this language is solving. So Python, this is the language that I will be picking up in this playlist because it is solving some three problems, right? You will be able to create some wonderful apps after learning this, and I will be teaching you those from basics to the advanced level, of course. Now the second thing is that we are selecting Python since it's really easy to understand, and also you can become an ML engineer or a data scientist after learning Python. You can delve into this using this language because it's really easy when it comes to implementation of use cases involved in these fields of machine learning and data science, especially computer vision, that I will be focusing again in this playlist, extending to everything. So hope you will enjoy this and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Yeah, one thing, do subscribe to this channel for all the updates that I will be coming up with. Thank you.